Hey guys, so today I am doing a night routine. It is about 7 o'clock now, and we're starting our evening here with a little bit of cereal mixed with some sweet potatoes, and I'm just going to feed Flynn just to get his belly nice and full before bedtime. Then we bring him into his room, and I'm going to be using my Johnson's hand and face wipes just to wipe off his face. He's a super messy eater, so it always ends up all over him. And then we're going to be getting him undressed and ready to get in the tub. Then while my husband watches him, I'll start his bath. I always put his Johnson's baby wash right in the tub to make it into a nice bubble bath. I'll grab his towel, get that out, and then here he is, and boom, he's ready for his tub. Then I'll use the special Johnson's baby shampoo in his hair, and I'll just get it scrubbed up. And then after the bath, we'll bring him into his room, lotion him all up with his Johnson's lotion. We put his diaper on, and then it's time to put on his jammies. And then it's story time tonight. We are reading a Mickey Mouse book. We do stories every single night, and then we'll give him his last feeding before bed. And then he gets angry and eventually doesn't want any more. And then I'll close his blinds, get it nice and dark in his room, and put him into his magic Merlin sleep suit that we use at night. And then his daddy will pick him up and give him some love and rock him with a binky until he falls asleep. And then after a little bit of rocking, he is out like a light. I will turn on his sound machine and then close the door, and it's good night.